Ayan, Ascension. Aliyah Dayan Ascension. This time, let's move on to Natalie Echevarria.
Happy birthday, Ate. Wish you all the best.
Ayan, maraming salamat, Natalie. This time, and smile. Let's move on to another medal coming from Lani Ascension. Ayan, nasan si Ate Lani? Ayan, makikita mo natin si Ate Lani Ascension. Let's move on to Culture New York. Ayan, si Tita Lani. Tita Lani, nasan mo kayo? Ayan, halika po kayo dito. Ayan, Mami Lani, ano pong birthday wish ninyo para sa ating birthday celebrant? Dito po tayo. Mother Lani. Ayan, dito po tayo. What is your birthday wish po para sa ating birthday celebrant?
Ang wish ko lang sa iyo, Miss Beautiful Berlin. Happy 18th birthday. Ang gusto ko lang sabihin sa ay magpakabait ka. Habang malaki kang marami ka na kung lalo ka na, habang malaki, lalo ka kung nagkakaroon ng maraming kaalaman. Kaya, ang sasabihin ko na lang sa magpakabait ka, magpakabait ka sa iyong mga magulang, huwag mong pababayaan ang sarili, ang ganda-ganda mo ng ganda, ha? Sige, yun ang sasabihin.
Ayan, maraming salamat. Mami Lani, Ascension. This time, let's move on to another medal coming from Culture New York. Ayan, nasa posisyon ng Culture. Ay, naroon na siya. Let's move on to Cedric Sacosa. Ayan, naroon na po sa Cedric. Let's move on to Ashley Corpus. Ay, hindi mo natin sa Ashley. Let's move on to Albert Nangyon. Okay, Albert, what is your wish for Dorothy? Ito po tayo.
So ayan, pwede mo na yun. Kung sana, wish you all the best at sana hindi kang babago kasi and then sana kita mo dahil makikita ko sa Diyos at sana talaga ng mga yun lang.
Ay, once again, maraming salamat. We are Albert Nangyon this time. Let's welcome another medal coming from Catherine Manala. At Catherine, what is your wish for Dorothy? Ito po tayo. Ito po tayo.
Happy birthday. Wish you all to like this summer for you. Thank you for always being there for me. Here's to me more years of friendship and unforgettable memories. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat. Kay Catherine Manala this time. Another medal coming from Mark Capella. And one more to be award. I believe wala pa sa Kuya Mark. This time, let's move on to Angela Sabado. And nasa biyahe kasama ni Kuya Mark. This time, another medal coming from Angel Grace Alvarela. At Angel Grace, what is your wish for tournament?
Happy birthday, 18th birthday. I wish natin the success and happiness throughout your life. Bigay to
This time, we acknowledge the presence of the father of our lovely debutant, Mr. Rodel Ascension. This time, let's move our 18th medal with Wendy Sabado. No Spain. And we're ready. What is your wish for Dorothy?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Dorothy. Mag-aaral ng mabuti. Masasabi ko lang mag-aaral ng mabuti at magpakabay sa pamilya.
Kaya maraming salamat. Wendy Salvo. Ito ang kung sino ang weird nito. Hindi ka magagawa sa video. Kaya maraming salamat. Kay Kuya Wendy Salvo. This time, let's welcome the telephone from Jessa Mapo. Jessa Mapo is a Bishop Berlin.
Dito na.
Stay safe and magkakaroon pa yung pagpapakain. Thank you.
Maraming salamat kay Jessa Mapo. This time, from Peter Romero. Ang iniwan is a Bishop Berlin. Ang Bishop ay Berlin.
Sabi nga, takot-takuan tayo.
Maraming salamat. Pia Rose Rabo.
Hi.
This time, let's welcome another telegram from Rose Marie. And I know sa sila ni Rose Marie, let's welcome Ian Leon. And I welcome Ian, let's move on to Again Sabo. Ready? I hope you're 1, 2, 3, smile. This time, let's move on to our last panel from Griselda Acosta. And Griselda, what is your wish for tournament?
Happy birthday. Talagang save the best for the last round. Kasi, gusto niya ang English. So yeah, I wish you a happy birthday and welcome to reality. And then, galing ka ng kulong. So, ayusin natin ang buhay and I wish for your dreams to come true.
Kaya ako sa maraming salamat, Ate Griselda Acosta. Kaya nag-English ka. This time, let's welcome another telegram from Rochelle Sabo.
Hi.
Hello. Happy birthday, Lori. Mag-aaral ka mabuti. Okay lang makakaibigan. Nagpunta kami ng birthday. Love you.
Kaya maraming salamat, Ate Rochelle Sabo. This time, maraming telegram from Michelle Sabo.
Happy birthday. Yung talaga na siya. Wish ko sa'yo. Mag-aaral ka mabuti. Sana makatapos lang ang pag-aaral mo. Happy birthday.
This time, another panel coming from Kenneth, New York. Okay, happy birthday, Lady.
Nangalantik ka na eh.
Happy birthday and may the best happy birthday.
Elizabeth.
Maraming salamat, Kuya Kenneth, New York. This time, another panel coming from My Priest Aguila. What is your wish for Thailand?
Welcome to Reality Learning. Thank you for being my sister by soul and for always the one of our I wish you to be surrounded by happiness, filled with joy and showered with love. And this is my exceptional day. Happy birthday for them. I love you.
Nakano.
This time, another panel coming from Ruth Gante.
Happy birthday, Len. Ka pa yan, magmundo. Ngayon, dalagang-dalaga ka lang. Mag-aral kang mabuti. Una sa lahat, mag-iingat ka lagi. And I love you, Ashley.
Uno sa lahat.
And maraming salamat po. This time, let's welcome the last presenter of our panel, which is Giselle Ocay.
Happy birthday, Len. Sa akin na pala. Thank you, love you.
Maraming salamat, Ate Giselle. This time, let's welcome our 18 candles, starting with Maria Rose Ramado, Aliyah Dayan Asuncion, Natalia Chamaria, Lani Asuncion,
Gabi niya yata doon, pag-upay sa kayo siya.
Albert Leon, Natalie Mananan, Juan Angela
Ano, magkumpleto kayo?
Angel Grace Apolama, Wayne Salo, Jessa Apo, Rosemary Yu, Mia Leon, Ayan Salvador, Priscilla Acosta, and the rest of the representative for our 18th candle. And guys, bigyan naman po natin sila ng malakas na palakpakan. And this time, sabay-sabay po ay isa-isa po pilipan. Okay, this time siguro let's prepare or let's wait for the cake of our lovely debutant because this time we will do the national anthem for birthday. Yan, sabay-sabay po natin kantahin ang happy birthday to you. Happy birthday song. Ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Basta lakas. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yes, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. This time, they request Maureen to blow her candle. Can we go wish first? Ano ka ang excited sa ating Doreen na nag-blow? Kaya once again, ladies and gentlemen, tulungan po natin ang ating birthday celebrant na walang bakit si Doreen. Malakas na malakpakan po! Wala mas malakas? Tingin na ba na kayo? Tingin na ba kayo? Ha? Tingin na ba kayo? Tingin ko ayaw kumain. Ay, once again, sa lahat po namin mga bisita, I just want to thank you for gracing us in this one momentous event of Doreen's life. Ay, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng kapatid. At the same time, once again, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nagkasaya at nagpunta at sa lahat po ng nag-absent sa kanilang work. At the same time, nag-absent sa school siguro. Maraming salamat po. Pagbibigyan ko lang kayo sa inyong mga wish dahil natapos na ang aking wish para kay Doreen. So this time, may ikaw ay pastor na aming laba who will lead us to our prayer before the Lord.